Hi guys, it's Marky. What's up? We're in the haunted house right now. We got scary
sounds echo through the hall.
haunted house.
A candlelight
Oh man,
where the air is deathly
it's a
still.
chandelier.
Gladdens the time when ghosts are present. Practicing
Which way you think it opens? This one?
I think it's this
Think it's this one? Or that one over there?
I was wrong.
That one over there? Ooh man, it's nice and cool in here though. Wow, we're entering that scary room.
All the way away.
Ooh, look at the spooky.
welcome,
That one's spooky.
foolish mortals,
That one's spooky too. One over here, spooky.
your
Right there. And there's another lady over here.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in the
Ooh, it's crowded in here, guys. Where's that guy? The guy that brought us in here. He's over there, back there. And there's two ladies also. Ooh, the door's closing now.
Drag your bodies away from the walls and into the dead center of the room.
Ooh, the door has closed.
Door
is closed. You scared?
Almost
scared?
as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
Whoa, you scared me.
Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Is it
Or
actually
is it your
stretching?
imagination? And consider this dismaying
Uh-oh,
observation.
what did I do?
This chamber has no
my gimbal's going crazy.
windows and
Come on,
no
gimbal.
doors. Which offers you this chilling
Oh, Eva,
challenge
you're scaring me, man.
to find a
Move
way
back a little.
out.
Move back a little, lady.
Of course, there's always my way.
Oh yeah, the room's stretched for sure. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. I
didn't see anything happen.
Come later.
I missed
Now,
everything.
As they say, look up.
Okay, there we go, there we go. Now I'm looking
and
up.
Continue on.
I think I'm pointing the wrong way.
Let's
Look at those
all stay together.
gargoyles.
Please.
Are you pulling my shirt?
Please fill all this dead
This is too small for all the people. This guy's spooky. Oh my god, there's a lot of people in here.
chamber. There's more dead space on this right hand side. All the way across to the far side wall.
Look at all the chandeliers.
Continue stepping all the way out, filling all this dead space.
Yeah, I have this pointed the wrong way. It's too dark in here, guys. Can hardly see. Wow, it's pretty full. Gonna be here a while. Eva, are you there? Are you scared? Oh, look at these scary pictures on the wall. Pictures on the wall.
I think it's. I'm gonna test it. Then I'm gonna do a
Our
different one.
library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost and marvel busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
It's so dark in here.
We are being unavoidably detained by Frankie spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will
Looks like we're stopped here. This totally looks like a study, doesn't it?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Yeah. It's got these busts that kind of like look like they're coming alive or something.
Great time here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangement.
It's hard to see in here. It's not a lot of light. Ooh, but there's some scary footsteps happening upside down.
Every room has
Hatbox Ghost. There goes his head. Goes in and out of that box. The hat box. That's scary. Don't like that scene. Oh, the self-knocking doors, I guess you can call them. The store wants to blow up or something. Oh, we got this clock last year, remember?
Yeah, we have it.
We have a little tiny version of that one that they made last year.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint.
This part's
by
scary.
ringing a bell.
Crazy lady.
Serpents and spiders.
Yeah, she's kind of creepy.
Please remain seated in your doom.
She has really cool blue hair, though.
Time to respond.
Looks very blue.
Look up there.
Huh?
Look up there.
Where?
Up there.
Over there?
Yeah. See the ghost moving around?
Yeah. There's not much of a ghost. It's just like a little light. Yeah, over there in the corner.
Seated in your doom, Marky. We will continue our tour in just a moment.
Yeah, it's just like something spinning around. I don't know.
Sit upon.
Can't really
Let
make out what
there
it
be
is, though.
music from regions beyond.
I think this haunted house needs more things that you can see because it's very dark. Seems like you move around a lot, but don't see much.
Ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat.
Oh man, are we stuck here
All in the spirits.
forever?
Wherever they're at.
That would be amazing.
Rap on a tape. It's time to respond.
Go back from magic.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Lady, take a chill pill. Lady, lady, lady.
Movies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your
She doesn't stop.
tambourine.
Please remain seated. Live motion will begin immediately.
Uh-oh. We're gonna continue now.
Sit upon. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards
Here we
and
go.
witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Ding dong.
The happy
By
haunts
ringing a
have
bell.
your sympathetic vibrations enough to
Oh, we're turning around. But I can't see anything. Oh, here we go.
There is some expecting I'll see you all.
having a ghost party. Alright, we're going through like a creepy attic. But it's hard to make out what the items are. But there's lots of like junk up here. Oh god. Alright, let's leave the attic. Let's go somewhere else.
Nothing outside of our house.
Going outside? Oh yeah. We're in the grave next door to the house, right? The grave that's in the back, I think. Graveyard. Yeah, I love the music here. Seesaw. I like those guys. But we only see them for like a second. Those are the coolest ones,
There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hiding ghosts. They have selected you to be the last. And they'll possibly want to take you with her. And they'll want to take you with her. And they'll want to take you with her.
There we are.
Be sure to bring your
Scary in here, guys. Scary. All right, that's it. We reached the end of this ride.
And the ghost will follow you home.
In our doom buggy.
Exit to the left, please. Exit to the left, please.
Is it a regular
Ooh, look at this. I am a spook. I am a spook. Manifestation. Manifestation. Metaphysics. Clairvoyance. Poltergeist. Poltergeist.
That's funny.
Bewitch.
I am a spook. Oh, I am a
In spirit, repose. In spiritual repose. What?
bewitched.
Hallucination over there. How's there hallucination?
And they have
Haps here, apparition. His loving wives. Penelope died. Abigail, Anastasia, Providence, Phoebe, Evangelina. What? Evangelina. I don't know. Eugenia.
Evgenia? That's weird.
I don't know, some strange names that we haven't seen before.
Evgenia?
Some strange ones, right?
Get in line for the photo pass.
Photo pass? Okay. In the line for the photo pass. Alright, we're gonna take our picture here. They take spooky pictures for you here. Let's see, where's the oh, there it is. There's the mansion.
Pirates next?
Ooh.
Okay, we'll do Pirates next.
Here's the front lawn.
Like that ride?
It's really cool.
Did? Scarlett, you're so
Wow, so cool, man.
brave. You're so brave, you know
So
that?
cool.
Come on.
I love it.
You're so brave. You surprised me.
So this is like an invisible horse here, as you can see. There's no horse that you can see, but the horse is there. He's just invisible.
He's there, we promise.
Yeah.
You were in the castle.
Oh
yeah?
wow, man.
You were in the spooky castle. You went in. You were
Taking
so
pictures.
brave.
The line is pretty long.
Brave girl.
The line closer to us is the
It was the Halloween
the-
castle, right?
lightning lane. You do walk all the way up to over there. So it gets you like to the front of the door. And then from there on, you're just with everybody else. Which was a lot of people, as you can see when we were in there. A lot of people. Alright, I think I'm going to end it here so I can take my picture, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next one.
But you did see the ghost princess, didn't you? Did you see the ghost princess?